We live beneath the foot of the Tianshan Mountains. Do you know this? Do you recognize people like us at all? Born a Iger, we lived our lives as Igers, but who remembers us today? No one knows. Where is my mother? Where is my father? We do not know today. Those children stand with bowed heads, left without love. With every breath, our dignity